So on your checklist for 2026 is to sell your house. Here's a little factoid for you. Buyers will discount your house and not even bother taking a look at it if the outside of your house looks tired. Yeah, before they even step inside to see what the inside looks like, if the outside looks tired and worn and kind of, buyers are going to discount it. Hi, I'm Steve Depoe with the Rose Realty Team. This week's real estate vlog for North Texas, affordable curb appeal. Now, look, curb appeal, as the word says, is very important when you're trying to sell your house or when you're thinking about selling your house. When buyers drive by, maybe they see it on Zillow or Realtor.com, or they just see a for sale sign in the front yard. They're going to want to take it. They're going to drive by the house several times. And if the outside looks tired and worn and you got dead shrubs and those kinds of things, they're going to discount that house before they even take a look inside. We'll get to that in a minute. So curb appeal is very important. So let's talk about the first thing is the front door, okay? A fresh coat of paint on the front door could go a long way to improving your curb appeal. You don't have to spend thousands and get a new front door with glass and a Texas star in it, although that's nice. You don't you A nice fresh coat of paint, maybe some new hardware is going to go a long way to improving the curb appeal, and you don't have to go spend, like I said, thousands of dollars to get latest smart door to stick on the front of your house. Landscaping is ultra important. Buyers respond really well to clean, low maintenance outdoor spaces. Okay. Trimmed shrubs and bushes, fresh mulch, no, pulled weeds, and then an edged lawn is gonna really make an improvement. Pull the dead plants. I mean, yeah, the spring and summer here in Texas is tough on shrubbery and plants. Get rid of the dead ones, pull them out. Maybe depending on where they are, you don't even have to replace them. But a dead plant in the front yard is not a good look. Exterior lighting, what a lot of buyers will do is they'll drive by the front of the house, the front of your house, if they're considering scheduling a showing, to take a look to see what it looks like at night. So look, some nice driveway lights on the front of the house, maybe some uplights by windows and shrubs and bushes and by the landscaping can really add a little pop to your house and make sure it really shows well at night. And when people see that pop, see that it was taken care of, see that you have pride in your house, they'll schedule showings to come and take a look to see what the inside, they're just curious at that point to see what the inside of your house looks like. Driveway and your walkway are important too. So spend a couple dollars. There's kids around all the time, right? Looking for odd jobs, walking up with power washers. Hey, give them a couple bucks and have them power wash the driveway and the walkway leading up to your porch, which we're going to touch on in a minute, and make sure this looks clean and fresh. And when you power wash, especially the driveway, which is probably cement or concrete in Texas, it'll get a little brighter and a little whiter, and you get that kind of like a little pop to it, so that it'll really stand out, and people will want to then kind of walk up your front sidewalk, your front walkway to take a look at what the inside of the house looks. I mentioned, hey, the front porch, outdoor living matters here in Texas, to buyers. Now, we spend most of our outdoor time in the backyard, but that doesn't mean that we neglect the front, okay? Especially the porch. A simple bench, maybe a fresh doormat, maybe some potted plants or seasonal decor is going to help people connect emotionally with the front of the house and with the house itself. Hey, and maybe a wreath on the front door. We change out the wreath, 6 or 8 times a year, depending on the season and the holiday. Okay, and so like a nice fresh wreath. Fourth of July is coming up with some patriotic Bunting on it will look really nice. And so that's something to consider if we're going to be listed during Memorial Day that just passed or the 4th of July, which is coming up. Before we wrap up here, hey, please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. That's www.youtube.com / moving to Dallas, Texas, and at Ask Steve Texas Real Estate. Ask Steve Texas Real Estate is where I answer a lot of questions that people have asked us along the way. I'm a seller. Should I make concessions? I'm a seller. Should I do a pre-inspection? Should I accept a contingent offer? Should I get in? I'm a buyer. Should I get an inspection on the house? Should I have a separate inspection on the roof? Those kinds of things. The moving at Dallas, Texas, are basically a repository for these vlogs. And if you've been watching these vlogs over the course of the last 8 years, we've got like 500 vlogs up there, and you have access to all of them. I like to think that between the two of them, you become the smartest person in your neighborhood, and people are going to be asking you real estate questions, which I know can be a pain. So just send them over my way. Also, we just got a new website. That's www.theroserealtyteam.com. Take a look at it, please. We'd like to get your opinion because it is a brand new site, and we'd like to get your thoughts on it to see what you think. Hey, look, we thank you for supporting us. We appreciate you for supporting our website and our YouTube channels, and we really appreciate you supporting our business. So look, in summary, buyers are paying attention to value. Okay. That's evidenced by the fact that houses are sitting on the market longer. And right now there's a lot of houses that are listed in Denton County. Houses with strong curb appeal often attract more interest online because that's where they see your house first. It's online in the pictures, and they generate more activity, which then leads to more showings, which leads to a stronger first impression, which leads to an offer. And that's what we all want. Hey, next week, I can't believe it. The next week is 4th of July already. I mean, the year, bam, is just gone right straight through. So next week, we're going to have our fun facts for 4th of July. I hope you tune into that. It's one of the 3 or 4 favorite vlogs they do every year. So next week is 4th of July fun facts. I hope you tune in. I'm Steve. I am with the Rose Realty Team. Until next week.